The army will go where it must go to secure our wealth. Since this is what it is about, we are victims of our wealth. It is wealth that the imperialists want, at all costs, to take back and maintain in our slavery. We will secure it, and from now on, all groups are instructed to resume their operations actively.
Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Liberté pour la souveraineté et l'indépendance réelle. C'est un immense plaisir aujourd'hui de prendre la parole.
Comrades fighters for liberty, for sovereignty and real independence. It is a great pleasure today to take part in an event on the 11th of December, which is the date of the Independence Day of our dear country. We thank God for being the craftsman today of this real independence. We also pray that all those who have been physically and psychologically injured in this fight can recover health. Let us pray to God for the rest of the souls of those who fought to the sacrifice of their lives, so that our nation can remain and remain. We also pray to God that He can comfort the hearts of all those who have lost loved ones in this battle. Comrades, the trials define the people. Today, the trials that we live in Burkina Faso define our people. A brave, valiant, combative, conquering, resilient people. The qualifications are lacking to be able to qualify our people, because what we are experiencing is a unique moment. Through this battle, we were able to unite and join hands in a perfect cohesion to support our fighting forces. To be able to lead this fight for our real independence, well, this is why I want to pay tribute to the people who understood the meaning of our message and who voluntarily contribute to the war effort, and also through the taxes and the collection that we do on their activities on a daily basis. Thank you to the people who understood the essence of our fight and who allow the fighting forces to be well equipped, well trained. We will continue in this direction so that we can rise in power at the level of the army, build a strong army, and therefore be able to equip this army as it is necessary. There is no development, no peace possible without a strong army. This is why we must pay tribute to those who sacrificed everything so that we can be there today and speak of Burkina Faso. We will continue to equip them, to pursue our conquest, to continue to work our territory, so that the consolidation of all its achievements in the fight is a reality and is effective. Comrades, there are times in the history of a people when these situations happen, but we have known in Burkina Faso to unite and give us a hand to be able to defeat the enemy. The fighters today are proud and will continue their mission to recover the entirety of our territory and be able to give life to our nation. The army will go where it must go to secure our wealth. Since this is what it is about, we are victims of our wealth. It is wealth that the imperialists want, at all costs, to take back and maintain in our slavery. We will secure it, and from now on, all groups are instructed to resume their operations actively. On the ground, as in the air, we will track these enemies of the nation until their last breath. Several operations have already begun and will intensify. We will pursue them until their last breath and eliminate them until the last. The only thing that can prevail so that they can survive is that they surrender to our different forces, dropping their weapons and their logistics. Fight them until the end, because Burkina Faso will never give up. Burkina Faso will never give up. Burkina Faso will fight. We are a proud people, fighters, warriors and worthy, and we will continue in this direction. All those who dream of seeing Burkina Faso on their knees, hoping to bring us back to slavery, must understand that they have failed, because those who risked their lives yesterday taught us to continue the fight until our total freedom and our independence. This is why I would like to thank each and every one of you, Burkinabe of the interior and the exterior, who continue to contribute to the effort of war, to continue their work, and that our armed forces can reach the level that we expect, securing our populations and our lands. Thank you all, and I wish that this Independence Day is a moment of meditation, that everyone meditates on real independence and be able to bring what he can bring so that our Burkina Faso shines in Africa and in the world. Burkina Faso remains and remains. Long live Burkina Faso. Long live our valiant fighting forces. May God protect them. May God watch over them in all their missions. throughout the entire territory. May God ensure that the year 2025 is the year of our final victory over the enemy. Thank you all.
Donc, que cette fête d'indépendance soit un moment de méditation, que chacun médite sur l'indépendance réelle et pouvoir apporter ce qu'il peut apporter pour que notre Burkina Faso rayonne en Afrique et dans le monde. Le Burkina Faso reste et demeure. Vive le Burkina Faso, vive nos vaillantes forces combattantes. Que Dieu les protège, que Dieu veille sur eux dans toutes leurs missions, sur toute l'étendue du territoire. Que Dieu fasse en sorte que l'année 2025 soit l'année de notre victoire finale sur l'ennemi. Merci à tous. La patrie ou la mort, nous vaincrons.